Hello, in this video, I will show you how to convert pricing spreadsheets into sales quoting applications on Trello. Here is an insurance company's life insurance rater created in Excel. You can see all inputs and outputs. This is the web application created using SpreadsheetWeb platform. The application includes same inputs and same formula calculations. Let's see how this web application can be embedded into Trello. First, log into your Trello account, add inputs and outputs matching with the SpreadsheetWeb application from Custom Fields button. Select Power-Ups from the menu on the left, then search and install SpreadsheetWeb. SpreadsheetWeb extension will be added to the active board. Go back to your Trello card once the SpreadsheetWeb is activated. Select SpreadsheetWeb under the Power-Ups and click on Manage Applications. Press Add New Application button to create your first application. Enter a name for your application, then copy and paste the application link and application identifier fields from the Spreadsheet Web control panel. If there are matching names, the auto-populate feature can be used. It will automatically detect fields on Trello card and match them to the fields in Spreadsheet Web application, but this step can be done manually. Now it's time to run the application. When you click on Run, you will see that all the inputs are automatically populated and outputs are calculated. When you hit the Save button, it will be saved and calculated total premium will be written back to the card. You can always make changes. Let's change the base policy face amount. And when we run the application again, we will see the updated base policy face amount, and the calculations will be updated accordingly. SpreadsheetWeb also offers you to create fully customizable PDF documents. Here you can see one created, including the advanced features such as headers, footers, formattings, page numberings, and more. This proposal can be printed or shared with your customers. When you go back to the application and save the changes, you will see the updated calculations and those will be written back to the Trello card. As a conclusion, with SpreadsheetWeb's Trello integration, you can embed your web applications into Trello to calculate and generate quoting proposals.